welcome back to Clay T's Quick Clips. I had a message in my inbox from someone who was trying to figure out how to get a font from dafont.com and put it into Design Space. So I figured now's a good time to make a tutorial so that I can just shoot it right to her and then have it saved so other people can get the information as needed. So I'm going to try to do this pretty quickly. So you get in your Design Space, of course, and you go to your text. And it's the Friday before Easter, so let's put Happy Easter. Okay, that is currently in Easter Sunday font, but say you don't like Easter Sunday font and you just don't like any font that you have. So you go to dafont.com, like this right here, dafont.com. And you can type in Easter, so you can get like Eastery fonts. I already have right here in the preview box, Happy Easter. This is where you would type in what your words are going to be so you can actually see what it's going to look like in Design Space. I went with Easter Sunday the last time, but I think this time I'll go with Go Easter. Or Goo Easter, whichever. So when you find the one that you want, you can scroll through. There's thousands upon thousands of different fonts. If you can't find it by typing Easter up here, just type something up here. Something will come up. Write script if you want, if you want a video game, put a video game. Like you saw down here, some of them have like, what are they called? Webdings, I think, images. And basically, if you click on that, you can see like each letter on the keyboard makes a different shape of some sort. These are pretty cool. I haven't used these, but I've used them on other fonts. Marvel has one. That's pretty cool. Anyway, so let me go back to where I was. So, say I want to go with this Goo Easter. So I'm going to go over here and click download. And then it's going to come up right here. Okay. Then you're going to go to the one that says True Type Font File. It's going to have a bunch of them, but just go to the one that says True Type Font File. And that's going to show you what they all look like. And then you just go right here to the top left and click Install. And it's as simple as that. Now it's installed onto your computer, but it's not in Design Space yet. So you're going to have to go to your Design Space. Go ahead and resave that because you're going to have to close it out and open it back up so that the new font will be in Design Space. It doesn't go straight to Design Space. At least it used to not. I just do it every time now because I have it. You could try it either way. So you just pull this other project back up and customize, of course. And then you just click your text and you go right up here to font and you type in the font that you got. So I got Goo Easter. So it comes up right there and voila, there you have it. And that is how you get a font from Dafont to Design Space. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you can get notifications when I make a video. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. I love to make the tutorials, so I look forward to hearing from you. You guys have a great weekend.